Hey everybody, it's Mike Kennedy. Welcome to a chilly Monday morning. Thanks for joining. We're going to go real quick today, get through the answers to Friday's quiz. We got the Monday morning honors from 5 for Friday number 203, which was the ticket stub edition. Remember, don't stop collecting your ticket stubs. That's what I did a couple years ago and I regretted it. That was the point of Friday's introduction. Check it out. Here we go. Question 1, X is the number of annual pro bono hours suggested by the rules. Y, the number of years the rules require lawyers to maintain trust account records following the termination of the representation. What is X times Y? That is D, 300. Rule 6.1 suggests 50 hours of pro bono per year from every lawyer. Rule 1.15A1 requires you to maintain trust account records for 6 years following the termination of the representation. 50 times 6, even I know that one, 300. Question 2, what is the subject of the rule described here? In a writing signed by the client, reasonable, prohibited in criminal cases, and prohibited for securing a divorce. I think everybody got this one. That's a contingent fee, rule 1.5C. Remember the writing, get it up front. Don't wait until the case settles and say, oh, by the way, client, I need this writing. That's a violation of the rule. Question 3, this is me responding to an inquiry. What am I talking about? The hint is I'm talking about one of the 7 C's of legal ethics. Your duty is to remonstrate with the client, take reasonable remedial measures, including, if necessary, disclosure to the tribunal. That is the standard in Rule 3.3, candor to a tribunal, when a lawyer knows that the client or a client's witness has offered false evidence. Question 4, when used properly, the phrases lateral transfers and ACH transfers are used when discussing the rules on what? There are the choices. The answer is C, lateral transfers. That's when someone moves from one private law firm to another. Conflicts of interest issues arise. ACH transfers are trust account issue. Check with your banks, see if they will put a stop on ACH transfers for you. Not required by the rules, but I think it's a good practice. And finally, question 5, on May 8th, which was Friday, 1978, that was the anniversary of David Berkowitz, against the advice of counsel, pleading guilty to a series of charges related to 8 separate shootings that left 6 dead and 7 wounded. In 1999, Spike Lee made a movie that focused on an Italian-American neighborhood in the Bronx. The movie was set in 1977 and against the backdrop of Berkowitz's crime spree, a sweltering heat wave, and the Yankees' boo championship season. What was the name that the press used to refer to Berkowitz, and bonus, the name of the movie? Now, before we get to it, Rule 1.2A, that is the rule that authorizes clients to make the final call as to what plea should be entered. So it tied in nicely to the question. The answer, that's David Berkowitz, who was the son of Sam. The Spike Lee joint named the movie about the prior summer, that was The Summer of Sam. All right, hey, everybody have a great week. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll talk to you soon.